everyone, today I want to introduce to an interesting AI tool. It's called AI to do Chrome extension. You can download it from the Chrome store and you can pin it here. So after pinning it here, you can click on it and you can add any to do item. Let's say I'm adding polish the shoes, polish and clean the shoes. Okay, so this will be one item. Then other to do item is send a courier. Okay, so I'm adding it here. Now after I add all those things here, I can just say auto prioritize with AI. So what it will do is that it will use Chrome's inbuilt AI to automatically prioritize this. So if you see here, you will see various items here. So this will get prioritized based on the AI inputs. So now you see this is running in the background. So it's now using the Chrome's inbuilt AI. So this will work even without internet because it is using the inbuilt AI model which is there in the Chrome. So it will take a few minutes to sync it up. So after you do that, you can go to dashboards, which is that information here below. See, now it has already done that. Now you see this change fire alarm in the kitchen, that is the most priority one. So polish and clean shoe is the least priority one. Send a courier is here. So now if I go to open dashboards, you can categorize various activities based on 4 quadrants, that is urgent and important. So you see that take online class on making decision with data is important, then you can move it here into the quadrant. So in this way you will be able to prioritize all your tasks so that you can do it better. And if you want to get AI task analysis on this task, then you can click on this AI task analysis and it will tell you how you can optimize your task. So that again uses Chrome's inbuilt AI model instead of internet. So that way it's useful. So it says the following suggestions. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.